My name is Bailey, and I took the Education Pathway class last year, and I took it because I I didn't really have an interest in teaching, but I always liked school and enjoyed going and liked my classes and teachers. So I thought it would be really interesting to see what teachers really have to do and go through. So I took it, and I think that it was really useful, and it was so different than any class I'd ever taken because we didn't meet as a class every day. We just went to our assigned teacher to help them and see what they do. And that was really useful because that was more like real world experience instead of just meeting in the classroom. And I really enjoyed that. And you really got to see what teachers do and what they have to go through and just with the kids. And that was really, really neat. And that was way different than any class I had ever taken before, and I really appreciated that. I think that was a really good experience to take a class that's more like that. And I was not interested in teaching before I took the class, as I said. And that actually kind of changed. The class really, I think, helped me realize that I do have a passion for teaching, and I didn't realize that until very recently. But before I did not have an interest in it. I actually had planned to hopefully go to law school someday, and teaching was not really something I had thought about before. But the class was really helpful, and to see what teachers really do was nice. And I really liked that every quarter we had a different teacher that we kind of studied, I guess you could say, and helped. And that was really neat because you can see at different grade levels how it's different and different types of teachers even, because my first quarter I had a language speech teacher, and that was really different than any other teacher because she worked more one-on-one with students and just helping in one area. So that was really, really helpful. And that's probably what I enjoyed most about it. So thanks.